First, we're going to take two plug boots and put them onto the cable. It would be difficult to put them in once the cable jacket is removed. Next, we're going to use our nice cable stripper to lightly score the jacket. You can easily pull it off. Here we have our pull string. We're going to cut it off because we don't need it. All we need is the 4 pairs of wires. We're going to move the pairs off to the side so that we can use the pliers to clip and cut the spline in the middle. Sometimes we also call it a separator. We're going to cut it off. Be careful not to cut the wires and conductors. The next thing to do is, we're going to untwist the 4 pairs of wires. Arrange the wires in the T568B configuration. Straighten each of the wires, get them nice and smooth, and then we're going to flush cut at the spot that is likely to get us straight wires. Here, the wires are straightened, so you can easily put the wires into the plug later. Now this is where you're going to need a plug. Keep it handy. Check the sequence and insert the wires into the plug. The wires should pass through all the way to the end of the plug. Line up the wires in the T568B configuration on the right. And move the plug boot up. The plug boot should attach to the plug. Check the sequence again and make sure you get it right before we move on. We want to cut the excessive wires shorter, so we can easily insert them into the hole on our nice crimping tool. The 2 parts highlighted in red and blue on the connectors at the top are the holes for strain relief. So for modular plugs with strain relief, make sure you move the small steel plate up. Now we got one end done. The plug should attach tightly to the plug boot and the cable. To assemble the other end, you can go back to the beginning of the video and repeat the steps. Put the plug boot in first. Always check the sequence of the wires and terminate the plug using our nice handy crimping tool. Once you have plugs on both sides of the cable, the last thing to do is to check the sequence of the wires on both ends. Our cable tester can do a simple and quick check. Got all 4 green lights, and you are good to go.